Does your morning look like this? There is a better way. A compromise-free way. One that is sustainable, powerful, and portable. Think it's too good to be true? Think again. This is the world's lightest electric bike. This is CARBO. It's light, it's smart, it's carbon, it's compact. It's CARBO.
Having been in the e-bike industry for many years, we have tackled most of the problems that users and mechanics have mentioned. E-bikes tend to be bulky, heavy, not to mention the bad weight distribution which compromises your riding experience.
And it's also hard to find after-sales service due to complexity of repairs.
So we have decided to redefine what a folding e-bike should be.
Light, durable, stunning design and functionality. When designing the CARBO, the main challenges were the weight and access to critical electric components. All the components are separate, making it easy to service and upgrade. No special tool required.
Anyone can do it. So we joined forces with the best players in the industry and created a team of manufacturing experts to make CARBO come to life.
Carbon fiber also absorbs vibration, resulting in a more comfortable ride.
Not only is carbon fiber lighter than aluminum, it's also 8 times stronger.
Having the battery in the seat post creates an optimal center of gravity. It's also easily removable for indoor storage or charging.
It's for everyone, everywhere.
How about the ride home? With a smart screen, you can connect to your phone by Bluetooth and guide you to your destination.
Designed to fit into your life, no learning curve required. CARBO is the perfect urban companion.
Not only do we want to see more people on e-bikes, but we would like to share our passion and experience and create the best e-bike tailored to your needs, engineered for your peace of mind.
CARBO is ready to roll,
Fully functional.
ready for production.
All we need is your support to make this
It's a reality.
Technology is moving at a lightning pace, from rockets that can explore the depths of space to driverless smart cars. While some forms of transport have evolved entirely, innovation has neglected the humble bicycle. We've seen modern-day bikes get sleeker and lighter, but commuting to work on a bike can often be physically exhausting and embarrassing. While most have ignored this modest form of transportation, the EvoWheel comes in 5 sizes and fits over 95% of all bikes in the market, and allows you to transform your bike into a pedal assist bike in a mere 30 seconds. Attaching the wheel is simple and hassle-free by simply replacing the front wheel of your bike. The first of our fully wirelessly control options is our Bluetooth-enabled control unit. You can decide how much you want the innovative power assist system to help you pedal accurately. From 0 to 100%, you can monitor your speed, travel distance, and battery power in real time. Alternatively, you may use the dedicated app to control the assist level that you want. The app displays 5 different mode settings, giving you more authority over your cycling experience. EvoWheel's incredible pedal assist system makes cycling uphill a walk in the park. Charging the wheel is as simple as plugging it into any socket. A single charge can allow you to travel up to 54 miles, meaning your commute to work the next day will be easy and hassle-free. Make your commute to work enjoyable with the state-of-the-art EvoWheel. Support us now.
Hi, I'm Christine Vardaros, and I'm here to give you a comparison between our original Mate and our new Mate X. As you can tell by looking at it, it's beefier, bigger, designed to handle more. That way you can really push it to its limits. Not only does it look completely different, but the ride is completely different. It feels more like a cruiser, where you're really comfortable, stable, and you're higher off the ground, which really comes in handy when you're riding through city traffic. The tire is a much larger volume, which means that it's a much more comfortable ride. And on top of that, the upgraded suspension fork can be adjusted according to your weight, and it also has a lockout feature. So you can switch it onto lockout for riding through city traffic. And of course, the rear suspension from the original Mate carries over to the new Mate X for full suspension comfort. We upgraded quite a lot of parts on it. The first is the shifters. They're much better shifters for much smoother shifting experience and much more reliable shifting. So that way when you're actually pedaling, you can shift gears no problem. The second thing that we upgraded was the brakes. We went from mechanical on the original Mate to the hydraulic brakes on the new Mate. And the other thing that we did was we made the handlebar much wider. So that way you have more control through city traffic, or if you want to take it off-road. And we also went ahead and upgraded the whole drivetrain for better performance. For those of you who are interested in riding a little bit more aggressively off-road, we're actually making a custom handlebar stem so you can lower your handlebar much more than you can with the original Mate. We've added a color screen display so you could see much more data compared to the original Mate. We've increased the clearance of the bottom bracket area by 4 whole centimeters. So go ahead and smack those big curbs. Take your bike to the nearest rock garden, go crazy. Last but not least, we upgraded to a more powerful battery and motor for faster speeds, quicker acceleration, even when going uphill. I guess bigger is better after all.